Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, Bria. So today we're going to be talking about my laundry room renovation. Before we did this renovation, the laundry room was a hot mess. I can't even lie. It was really basic, really dirty, really plain, and it kind of just got used as like a trash area. So hopefully this renovation will bring some clarity to cleaning clothes. Yeah, so if you've seen my TikTok, you've already seen the end of the renovation. However, you're gonna have to watch this whole video to catch the end because, yeah. So, buckle up, sit back, relax, and watch my 3-day laundry room renovation process. I'm back, guys. So this is my laundry room. We've already started doing some things to it. Like we had shelves up here. We spackled them. We had shelves up here. We spackled it. We had shelves spackled. So we took the shelves down. We cleared out all the extra stuff. We got the paint, got all of the supplies, all the things we need to get started. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm curious. Like, I have no clue how it's gonna turn out, but I'm hoping after this paint job and like a new lighting fixture. Look at that one. That one's shitty. You know, it looks like a brand new laundry room. It was very disorganized, very messy, pretty gross actually. I can't even lie. Like, it was just like, oh, just dump shit in here. Like, so hopefully after this renovation, like, it comes out really nice and it'll be a cool place to do laundry. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so we're going to be painting 2 of these walls black, and we're going to touch up white on the back wall. The laundry room's at a weird angle, so it's kind of hard to see. My cousin Richie is helping us out, so he taped up where you see the yellow line, because since it's going to be a cabinet and a washer and dryer stack, we don't need to paint below the yellow line. So he taped up so he can stop the black at the top. So as you can see, the top will be black. This wall over here on the side will be black. And then the inside wall will be touched up with white. Let me see if I can get closer. Okay, so I got a little closer so you can see the angle. So this back wall will be black. The wall to the left of that will be white. And above this yellow line over here in the corner will be black. Underneath, it's just gonna stay what it is. And we'll see how it looks. So right now, my cousin Richie is just prepping the wall and getting it ready to go, all flat, so there's no grooves, no indentations. So we'll come back to him and see how the painting goes. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but this wall had some dark spots and just like regular wear and tear from the previous owners. So cousin Richie is going to go over that wall with white and pretty much just clean it up, give it a fresh coat of paint so it looks a little bit better than it does, because right now it's not looking like the color white at all. So okay guys, so cousin Richie has almost finished the big black wall, the main wall, the hardest part of the whole room. So he's going to finish touching this up, and then he's going to move to the top half of the other wall. Okay guys, so now we've gotten this wall complete. I'm gonna walk in here. It looks great. I love the paint. I'll post the paint sample in the description. It's just a Behr Paint that I got from Home Depot. So this is the back. Just plain white wall. It looks good. Really flat, no more dirt. This is the black, matte black finish, which looks really good, really good. It's a little dark in here, but we're gonna change the light fixture out. But yeah, Richie did an amazing job. Oh, we got a little spot to touch up there. That'll be white. Okay, so right now we're building the cabinet, which we did the planning tool at Ikea to build cabinets that will fit in the space. Once these are built, I'll come back and show you how it looks. Basically, we're just going to build it and slide it right in through the door. It's not difficult at all. If you can build Ikea furniture, you can do this. These door handles we chose are also Ikea. They're like flat, black, and long. So I'm excited to see how they look on the cabinet once we're done. So day 2, we decided to do something like a design with this back wall for absolutely no reason at all, but it will look cool. So right now, cousin Ree is just taping these things up and doing mild complaints along the way. No. Very mild complaints, but they're still there. No. The complaints are still there.
She's fed in. Don't listen to her.
How it came out. So once the paint dries, he'll go ahead and take the tape off and we'll have it designed. Tomorrow the washer and dryer comes and the light fixtures, so then we'll be able to finish up as much as I'm going to do for this video, because we still have to get some artwork for the wall.
$2,000 years later.
Okay, day 3, the final day, fingers crossed. We're swapping out the lighting fixtures. I don't recommend doing this yourself if you've never done any previous lighting work, or if you're not licensed. It's not easy. That's why I have cousin Richie here helping me out. Okay guys, so the delivery company is here putting the washer and dryer in. I had to sweep this out really quick. They pulled the old one out, so I'm recording on my phone because I left my camera downstairs, but I want you to see this while we have the open space. So it looks good. It looks good in here. Looks really good. I'm excited. All right, so I'll be back after they install the washer and dryer. Okay, y'all, so this is what we have. I think it's running a cycle, but it looks good. Okay, so here is the final result for now. As you can see, we already started doing laundry in our beautiful new laundry room. So the only thing I have left to get is the 2 missing light bulbs and a rug. So I ordered that on Amazon. It'll be here next week, but you can see the final look. It came out beautifully. I'm so happy with how it came out. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching my laundry room renovation vlog. Feel free to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn on post notifications, ask questions, whatever your heart desires. And meet me here in the same place next week, same time, same place. See you then. Mwah.